Hi, this is me in my studio, sharing it with my son Doug, who's putting me through the paces. This is stuff I've got in my wall. The other wall is much busier. It's over that way.
Well, we can see that with the 360.
We can.
Yeah, it's all being taken in.
Oh,
Yeah.
God.
Yeah. So let's do a walkabout, Donnie.
We're going to do a walkabout. Oh, I'm not very prepared for this.
Well, we're just roughing this out.
Oh, we're roughing this out.
Okay, I'm holding all the crap, so you lead the way. What's on the front of the building, Donnie?
Oh, this is, I've forgotten what this is now. It's a walking smile.
Okay, good enough. Oh yeah, and there's a hell of a lot of construction going on right now next door.
Right.
It just rained earlier today. So Donnie, I see you've kept these roots as a great place to test your ability to avoid being tripped.
This is my root yard.
Yeah.
And I'm not sure what I should do with them. I'm afraid if I cut them, the tree will die.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
And that's just storage of landscaping equipment?
Yeah. Landscaping equipment and what else?
Oh, bicycles.
And motorcycle.
Wow.
And bicycles live in here.
Okay, if I stand in here, the exposure will balance to here.
I see.
Yeah. All right. We can come back and close the door later.
We can come back and close the door.
After the camera's turned off. So I see you got a peach tree here.
And here's a peach tree.
Where?
I think this is a peach tree. I wish Mella was here because she's in charge of everything that's growing in this yard.
Okay.
And I had very little to do with it.
Okay, I won't quiz you on what's growing there anymore.
Avocado.
Wow.
Apple.
I have fond memories of you using that thing to groom the dog.
Using that thing?
Yeah, this thing. That's to go up and hang the clothes, right?
Oh, yeah.
That's the clothes hanger. But you used to always have the, who's that?
Oh, that's our cat.
Huh.
Want to go in, baby? The baby want to go in? Oh, no. She's having too much fun playing.
What's the story behind this thing?
That's Rodchenko.
No, that's the Rodchenko.
Oh, that's the Rodchenko.
Yeah. I don't know, sculpture, whatever, right?
A sculpture, and I've forgotten who did it.
A friend?
A friend.
Oh,
but
cool.
Mella will remember that, of course.
Keep all the difficult questions for Mella. This is quite a deck here.
Uh-huh. And what can I tell you?
Yeah. Great. Oh, there's the Rodchenko. Let's go see the Rodchenko.
There's a Rodchenko.
Nice grass here. Thanks, Donnie. You're doing a hell of a job here, being a tour guide.
And the Rodchenko, 10 by 10s.
10 by 10s. That's an expensive piece of wood.
It's an expensive piece of wood.
Yeah.
I've forgotten how many pieces are in here now, but it wouldn't take long to figure it out.
Yeah, that would be fun. The great thing about a 360 camera is that you're going to get a really interesting image from here. You should pose on the other side there.
Here I am looking through my Rodchenko.
Yeah. All right, stay there, stay right there, because I'm going to stop as promised. I'm going to stop recording at the Rodchenko.